How to use Argent Wallet. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create and use Argent Wallet. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to argent.xyz and you will land on this platform right here. This is the official website for Argent. Using Argent, you will be able to buy, earn, stake, and trade on Ethereum. It has low fee and has a bulletproof security for you. So to access Argent, what you can do is you can actually download the application on your app store, or you can get it on Google Play as well. If you're using on desktop and you want to get an extension for Argent, then you will go to Argent X here. Once you go on Argent X, then this is the Chrome browser extension you can see right here, and now I will be able to download it on my desktop right here. So using it will be same on mobile phone and on desktop as well, but I'm using desktop, so I want it as an extension right here. What you have to do is simply click on download Argent X, and it will take you right here to the Argent X Chrome extension. What you have to do is simply click on add to Chrome. I have already added it, so that is why I'm getting this option. Once you do that, then you will get your own extension for your Argent. So you will simply pin the extension to your browser right here, and this is my Argent. Simply click on new wallet. I understand, and continue. You have to set a password and then repeat the password to create new wallet. There you go. Now you will get your own Argent wallet, and you can see right here I have my account 1. To create a new account, you simply click right here on this plus icon, and it allows you to create more than one account right here on your Argent. So I have 2 accounts. You can see right here I can switch between my accounts. Now I have account 1 and account 2. Once you open up your account, and I have Ethereum mainnet from here. To add funds to your account, you simply click on add funds. And now we can buy with card or bank transfer. This will be coming soon. Right now, this option is not available, but very soon we will be able to buy with just our own debit card and bank transfer directly. So for now, we have from another StarNet account. So if you want to go and add funds from another account that you already have, you can select this option, and then you just have to scan this code right here. Another way is bridge from Ethereum. So what I can do is I can simply go ahead and bridge and actually convert my Ethereum, and I can simply go ahead deposit funds from my MetaMask. So this is what I usually do because I already have a MetaMask. You can see right here. If you have funds in MetaMask, like in Ethereum, MetaMask is another wallet. So we get this option on Argent we can deposit funds from MetaMask. So you select that option, and after that, all you have to do is just log into your MetaMask. You can see I also have MetaMask extension. I will simply click on log in, and I will simply, deposit funds from my MetaMask to my Argent. So when it comes to depositing funds, we're getting 2 options, and it's really, really easy to deposit funds on Argent. Then when it comes to sending, then we will simply click on send. What you have to do is you will be able to find your network right here, which is Ethereum. This is where you will get your Ethereum balance. Right now it's 0 because I just created this wallet. You will deposit funds first, and after that you simply enter the amount in Ethereum. Let's say that I want to send someone 0.5 Ethereum. So what I need to do is simply enter the amount, and then we add the ID of a recipient. Let's say that this is the ID of recipient. This is where we get the ID. You can see this is the ID. You just want other person's ID, or maybe your other wallet's ID, copy it and add it right here in the recipient, enter your amount, and after that simply click on send, and you will be able to send Ethereum from your Argent wallet. So sending money is really easy, getting money is really easy. Then we get these options here at the bottom. We have tokens. In tokens, I will be able to check all of my tokens available on my wallet right here. Then we have collectibles. So if you have bought anything with this wallet, you will be able to find it right here. If it's minted on this wallet, on this blockchain, then you will be able to find them here. For example, let's say that you bought an NFT with your Argent, so it will be shown right here. After that, we have activity option, where you can simply check the activity and transactions that you're doing with your Argent wallet. Again, I can switch between my accounts, and I will be able to select mainnets as well. and I will be able to check my mainnets. You can see this is my token and this is my Ethereum mainnet. You can switch between different mainnets, and you can also change your account name if you want to. And then we also get our settings, and in settings you will be able to find all of the advanced settings for your wallet. If we talk about the Argent features, then we are getting earn up to 5% by staking Ethereum. So with Argent, we can actually make up to 5%, and then we earn up to 15% on USDC and DAI. We can also buy with card or bank transfer. Then we have trade tokens in a tab. So these are the different, features that we get. If we talk about the fee on Argent, so the fee is actually pretty low and it's really, really fast too. We get the invest and stake option, and it also allows us to earn. It gives us the opportunity to earn, and we can actually trade tokens for fees as low as $1. So this is actually pretty impressive that with Argent you will be able to trade tokens with just the fee of $1. So if I go to my Argent X, as I showed you for desktop, we go with Argent X, and then you simply open up your Argent. I have it right here as an extension. So if I trade different tokens, then the fee is going to be just $1. So that means that I will be saving a lot with Argent, and it gives us the opportunity to earn Ethereum up to 5%. And if we talk about the security, then we're getting a bulletproof security with Argent, so you don't have to worry about your, Ethereum and your cryptocurrency that is, in your Argent wallet. It is secure and saved with the bulletproof security. And if we go to our Argent and in settings, you will be able to find the settings of lock wallet. We have reset dApp connections, show backup phrase, and we also have manage network option. So if I go to manage network, you can see right here we have three networks. We have Ethereum, we have testnet, and we have localhost. If I want to add a new network, you simply click on this button, and then you have to add a network ID. Let's say I want to add Polygon to my Argent. So the network ID of Polygon is actually Matic. So I will simply type in Matic, right? And then we have to add the name again. For the name, you just add Matic, all right? And then we have to add chain ID. So the chain ID for Matic is 137. And then I will get my base URL from Matic mainnet. Then simply add it right here. Click on create, and new network is created right here on Argent. This way we can create more than one networks, and we can switch between the networks very easily. If you want to lock your wallet, then you can simply click on lock, and it's locked. So every time you open it, then you will actually have to enter your password that you have created, and then your wallet will be unlocked. You can see right here it is locked. All I have to do is simply enter my password, then it will unlock my wallet. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Now you know how to get your own Argent wallet, how to trade and stack using Argent, how you can connect it to your MetaMask, and how to deposit funds, and how you can actually change a network. So this was a beginner's tutorial, and you know everything you needed to know about Argent. You can simply go ahead and get an Argent X for the desktop, and then Argent for on your mobile phone too. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.